Part 1: How to upload file in SQL Cloud. At first you will need to click this. Next click on the shared drive. Next click Upload File to upload. Then you can find the file you upload at this PC, SQL Drive on SQL Connect. Part 2: How to download file to my PC. First, select the report format that you want to save. Next, select the file path, this PC, SQL Drive on SQL Connect, Download folder. Then click the Save button. After that, you can download it to your PC file path. Part 3: How to print by using SQL Cloud. At first, open the document that you want to print. Then, click the Print button and select the report format. Next, select the printer name, SQL Connect Printer, with the bracket redirected. After this page pop out, then you can select the printer that connect to your PC. Thanks for watching.